OBS decided to give up on me again. It's really annoying that the OBS is giving up all the time. So, well, never mind. Nope, we need to take you. Come on. Do your work. Just one work, my friend. Just one work here. From here to here, divide by 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Very, very good. This is 58. Well, no problem with that. Let's do that now. Let's take only the lines. Times 5 times 6. That doesn't look promising. Oh, don't give up on me. Giving up on my OBS. Maybe I should update it. I'm really tired of him. Oh, again, I did a stupid mistake. Okay, now let's take that one. And from here to here, this is 371 divided by 50. Calculator 3. How much was that? 371 divided by 50. It's divided by 8 times. No, divided by 7 times. That looks more correct. Let's see. 53, and here we have 53, and here we have 58. Good. Okay, now let's go here. Same thing. Divide by 7. 53, that's right. Now let's clean up. Oh, what we're doing with that small one. I think this can be removed. So it looks silly. So everything giving up on me today. Like the air conditioner decided to give up. The OBS is giving up. Lucky that I'm not giving up yet. Okay. Extension, multiply, offset. Constant, 2.5 centimeters. Inside. Is that 2.5? Let's see. Yep, 5. That's correct. Okay, 5. Let's start doing the work. Oh, at least the double clicking is relaxing me. And also the RAM didn't arrive today. Okay, missed the right input here. Luckily we're already on track. Oh, that's a bad thing, right? Yeah, shouldn't have that small leftovers. So I did a mistake here. Let's fix it. Push pull. Done. Very good. Now we can run explode curvatures and do the softening as it needs to be done. It doesn't want to do correction. Select all of them, do 0. Select all of them, do 0. Select all of them, do 0. 0. And 0. Oh, we're gonna have even more fun here doing the right face. Right. Let's get to work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ah, come on. 1, 2. You know what? Before that, let's start painting it. Yeah, that's gonna be nice and relaxing too. So, bucket, alt. This one. don't think I have any more skylights after that one. Oh, lucky me. So I was really waiting for this ROMs to arrive, and also I want to buy a new cooler for my old computer, and I need to buy a table for my old computer so I can open another workstation here. Yep, I know. Just not getting there. But I do need to find a nice cooler and not a water cooler, because I want to get rid of the water cooler because of a bad experience I had with water coolers. And believe me or not, this is some kind of a very bad experience. I had a leakage at my parents' computer home. The water cooler decided to leak, so I think I won't be using any more water coolers. And I'm still trying to find a motherboard to replace on the computer, because they had a very nice motherboard there. Once I used that computer at my home, bought it for second hand, and too bad it's died. That terrible way of getting a circuit short from a water cooler. Oh, that's not good. Well, my goal is to make things good, so reset texture. That's fine, let's put you here, bucket out. Same goes to that one, and we done. So now this one need to get some paint. Bucket out, let's take the one from here and start painting. Bucket. No, this is not the right color. This is the right color. Okay, that's fine. Let's take this one. That's good. Let's take that one. That's fine. Oh, the friends are still talking there. I need to see what they're saying. I think everything been painted. Almost everything been painted. Now when we have you, we can drop you on the other faces. Oh, look at that, leftover. Well, the main problem here is that we need to run a cleanup. This one has been cleaned. Okay, it's been painted. It's been painted. This hasn't been painted yet. Now it's been painted. Just looking for spots I forgot, like here. Oh yeah, and the bottom also need to be painted. 1, 2, 3. Intersect face with model. Delete, delete, delete. Very good. Yeah, now we can do that one. That's fine, fine, fine. All the inner ones. Oh no, I can do them yet. Need to isolate all that small segments. Wonder if there is a quicker way to select them. Good. Make group, enter. Very good. Now we can close it. This one, this one, this one, and that one. Let's do the bottom. Closed, closed, almost closed, very closed. Oh, here we have a small gap, but this one is closed. Okie dokie, closed. Almost done. Done. Let's clean up. Okie dokie. Not good. Well, to the recovery folder. We need to go to C, users, me, application data, local SketchUp. Where's the SketchUp? SketchUp. Here you are, 2022. SketchUp, working, SketchUp, recovered files. Here we go. Let's see how much we lost. And yeah, I need to remember to get it from here. Already lost one file when I accidentally removed some files from here. And it was related to the ground poly that I was also complaining about. Oh, looks like no, it's working. Here we go. Let's see how much we lost. I don't think that's so much, but better to be sure. Usually when the SketchUp freezes, you know it's making an autosave. Okay, here we go. No, it's still loading. No, it's been loaded. So, oh, at least this been isolated. Lucky us. Come on, get here. No, it doesn't want to get there. I can hear in my downing you're making a noise of a sleepy cat. That's not right. This will be fixed. Good. So the top one has that one is here, right? Let's try again. Extension, clean up, clean. Well, that's the problem with this plugin. Sometimes it works, sometimes it crashes. I think I have too much luck with that. Because it wasn't crashing for too long, and now it's finally decided to give up. But I'm not giving up. Now it's time to do the inner profiles. Let's do the inner profiles. So, to do them, what do we need? We need the top from here. And control, very good. Alt, control again, fine. And that one. And here we go, we have it. Very good. Now we need to start placing the shadings. I think this is the most annoying thing that will be present here, but let's do it. Control V. Very good. Here we go. We got the first one. Let's go on that line. So first one will be placed here. Now I want to rotate you on that axis, on the blue axis, all the way here. That's done. Now let's do that trick. Oh, yeah, that trick won't work. Okay, so first one, need to get here, and then you should get here. That point, same for you, my friend. And I stretched you for 1.52, so probably this one should be also stretched for 1.4. And luckily I think this will be enough. Let's try that one. Also, I want to stretch you symmetrically, so nothing strange will happen with the textures there. Move. That's fine. Now we need to align you again. Okay, I don't need to see that lines anymore. I take that point and bring it here. Now we can do just small adjustments. That's fine, that's fine. Oh, that's gonna get here. It's gonna get here. That will get here. Now we want to do that. And this is done. Let's take you and bring you to your place here. And you will get from here to here. Now we should start the duplications. Righty-tighty. Let's do it from the beginning. From here, 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's bad. Because this one and this one are not the same, I see. So you're gonna be here. Nope. I'm not getting it. Well, maybe it's better not getting it. Righty-tighty. Because this one and this one a little bit different. Yeah, maybe that's the problem. Times 2. Here we got it again. 1, 2. Nope. Scale. Scale. Now this can work again for I don't know how much, but I'm gonna try to do the best. And again, it's not matching, huh? Scale. 1, 2. Move, duplicate. All the way here. Oh, finally this one is matching. This is too big, so scaling. And close. Very good. 1, 2. Move, duplicate. Oh, this is also a good one. Are you sure? Yes. And the last one is 2. So, to do some diet here. Move. That's good. Done. Now for the rest of you. 1, 2. No, 1, 1, 2. I'm really crossing my fingers that they are equal. Ah, I was expecting for too much. Well, need to readjust it. Okay, this line all the way here, and now I need to find the midpoint. To the midpoint here. Good. So you're getting smaller by 0.7, so this also should get by 0.7, and the same one for that one. Move, move all the way here. This is not right. I do need to realign you. I'm gonna take that line and try to realign it on that point. Then bring you here, make you smaller like that. Good. The only question is why this one and this one are not aligned. Well, some smart person told me once that because they can, There's something else I don't like here, like 180. I think will do much better work when they will be equal. So why are not getting, come on, move again to the K, very good. Now it's equals. Yeah, it's simply strange that this is like that. Maybe it should be darker at the top and dirtier at the bottom. So I'm saying that maybe it should be dirtier like that and darker at the top. So I need to realign this one. Let's do that. 180. Good. Move. Come on, please move it. All the way here. Very good. Now this is fine here. So all that need to be rotated. I hope it's gonna work because it has different layout. Let's see if we can make it work. Okay, this has been selected. All of them been selected. Yes, 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 yes. Looks correct. Let's do 180. This is not 180. 180. That's better. 180. Now just make sure this will realign again here. It's fine. Nope. Mistake. Well, keep it as it is here. Or else we have a mistake with that one. Yeah, we have a mistake with that one. Now I see a mistake. So that's why it didn't work. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try it last time before giving up. 180, enter. And you should go from that midpoint to here. That's correct, correct. Don't see any problems. Nope. Well, this can get some correction here. Don't see anything too weird. Just a small misalignment that I saw. Where I saw a small misalignment? Here. This should get to here. Don't think I see other misalignments. Looks fine. Totally fine. Right. So, to you. That's correct. That's not correct. Lucky for us, it should be symmetrical at the second part, so simply need to duplicate it to the rest of the model. This one and last one is here, and well, you're not located correctly, so we should get here, and this can grow a little bit like that. This one not needed anymore, so what we have to do now is go with that one. Times 2 times 3. So now we need to realign that one. Oops. And also realign this one again. That's fine. Make it smaller. Okay, that's done. Now we're gonna take you all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, all of them already been taken. So, yeah, but there's a small problem with that one too. So let's duplicate that one on that line, go here, and then you find out that you need to move this one here. So this one not counted. So you are moving here. That's fine. You are moving here, and now we need to stretch you to that point. This is not right. Need to make one small correction. That small correction probably need to be done here. No, this is fine. This one is not correct. Scale. Delete and delete that one. Stretch that one. That's fine. Now you are not correct. Should be here. You should go all the way here. Move. Copy. And here. Now for the easy part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Make group. I can do this to the rest of them. No, this is already that. Control X, Shift V. Is that? Oh, it's all alive. You know what? Make group. Okay, nope, nope. Oh, this is a group. So I'm gonna start losing myself now. This is a group. Control X, Shift V. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Control X, Shift V. Somewhere. Shift V. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Control X, Shift V. 1, 2. Control X, Shift V. 2, 3, 3, 4. Control X, Shift V. 2. Control X, Shift V. Control X, Shift V. 1, 2. Control X, Shift V. 1. Control X, Shift V. Almost done it. Okay, Control X, Shift V. 1, 2. Control X, Shift V. Very good. Now explode. Line all the way here, and from here we start cutting them out. Oh, something strange happened here. Well, I'm gonna correct it. Well, good to find some mistakes and fix them, or they're going anywhere deeper. I'll take that point and go all the way to here. Same for this one. Too many lines, just need to be careful with that. It's a little bit too many lines. Just need to isolate that line here, that face, and then I'm gonna try to locate that face here. Okay, this side has been trimmed. Now that side needs to be trimmed. And I have the same mistake here again. Nope, it's not a mistake, it's a feature. Just kidding, it's not a feature, it's a mistake. Well, lucky that I found that mistake and now I can fix it. Should be here. So let's trim that one. Let's go on that line all the way here. It's too bad I didn't took it fully, so fully it's gonna be like that. Oh no, it's not fully. So something definitely not right here, but nobody can see this small mistake, and I can proceed with that. So not everything has been trimmed yet. More work need to be done. Also here, that's a very bad alignment here. And why you are like that? I just need you. Well, I cannot just have you, so I need to do it from scratch again. You should get here, and you should get that line here. So this is the amount of trimming we should done. And 1 second, my mouse doesn't responding. So here I see some troubles. Well, troubles. This is my middle name. From that point, I should lock on that axis and on that angle, and I should be fine. And last one that needs to be trimmed is that one. Good. Oh, not good at all. That's weird. So, if this is the case, let's do it individually, one by one. You are here. You are here. This should solve the problem of that one. And now this one. Good. Oh, come on, please work. So all of them been trimmed. They are not invisible. How to say it? Come on, forgot it. So I need you now. Control C. Control V. It's gonna be a hell of a usage for that one, I think. I really want to reuse that one. I don't know if I can. Let's try. This one will go all the way here. And this one will go all the way here. And let's hope the angle is similar to the one we have here. Almost there, almost there. As usual, something is not working as it should. Why should it work when it can simply not work? Now what? Let's get back to where we've been here. Think this will be fixed if we just... Hey! Stupid cats! Stop, 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 stop! If we just can take that line, take that angle here and do that trick. Well, still have some misalignment here. Just thinking about how to fix that one. I'm going that this one is breaking. Come on. Like, if it goes there, I think it's gonna get even bigger. Like that, even more. Righty-tighty, moving. Let's see what we're gonna get if we're gonna do that trick here. Like this, like that, and this is too much already. Well, always can do some push-pulling here. Well, it doesn't look bad. Can work with that, but where they are located, that's the second question. So let's take a look at, okay, 1, 2, then 1, 2. So is it 3 or more? I don't know, but let's start grabbing it all the way here. Oh, come on, work on this one. Here, very good. So it should be 3, you think? Yeah, looks like. Okay. Yeah, here and here. Okay. Still, you see, we have small gap here. So let's say we're gonna take. Oh, we cannot do that. But I can trim it like that. 5 centimeters, even more. Another 5. Let's let's make 3, a total of 8 centimeters on each side. Move 8. That should solve the problem, or maybe not, but doesn't look symmetrical so much. Like here it's getting all the way where it should be, and here it's not getting where it should be. So push pull. Oh no, that's bad. Move 7. That's better. So there is a way that we can try to fix that one, but only if I manage to lock that one correctly. So let's take you again after scaling you accordingly. Let's bring you back here. Let's say we want to take this side and stretch it even more, like all the way here, and this should definitely fix the problem now. Move. Oh no, you should move here. Now it should be fine. Let's see, the angle is, oh, it's even too much in my opinion now. I think we can do it only by half. Let's do it only by half. Like we have that one and we have 1, 0. Yeah, this one is enough. Let's move it again. Okie dokie. Like that, and here it's, yeah, the best I can ask. The best I can ask myself to get. So push pull. Oh, it won't be push pulling. So moving. You remember how much we moved it? I need to move it on this axis for 1.5, let's say 5 centimeters. Is that correct? Yeah, looks the same thickness. The only problem now is that we need to duplicate you, so we have enough good number of profiling. And now I said we need to move you to segments. So 2 segments all the way here. Is that the correct one? I hope so. Same goes to that one here. 2 segments should be aligned here. Now we just need to align the mid one. Let's take a look again at the map. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Maybe it's 3, but I need to find the middle. This is the middle. I think it's the middle. Righty-tighty. Where's the middle? This is 9, right? So this is the middle. K. You should get here. You should get here. K. Very good. Yeah, I don't need you, friend. Thank you for cooperating. Let's take a look at the bottoms. All the bottoms been painted. Yeah, you've been painted, you've been painted. You've been painted. Yeah, it's been painted. Very good. So let's take a look at this one, if I'm not forget to paint this one. All of you have been painted. Very good. Very good. So the skylights are done. Hooray! Yip yip hooray. Just need to make a hole here so I can celebrate. Oh, I have a Zoom meeting tomorrow. Ah. Well, as people saying, could be worse. Let's take him out. Should be here. Alright, all the skylights now being modeled on this model, and this annoying skylight being also modeled. Nice. Now it's time to go and start working on the roof itself. So this is all the openings we have here. Good. Move up. Done. It's this roof. Oh, this roof never been done as it should be done. Well, never mind. Let's see. Is it been trimmed? Well, it haven't been trimmed correctly. Let's trim you correctly now. From here to here, this is the trim that we need to make. That's how it looks like. So it's been trimmed, very nice, very good. Oh, here we forgot to add some thickness to the ceiling. Alrighty tighty, all the way here. on that line here. Very good. Can remove that one. So this has been done. Now it's your turn here. The bottom line, none of the roof should be overlapping. This will allow me to do the right thing that I need. Ooh, that message. Oh, come on, I don't have time for all your messages. Strange detail going on here. Yeah, definitely a very strange one. Never saw something like that before, but now it's fine. Fine. Good. So this roof is done. 2. 1, 2, Control C. Shift V. Move. Oh. Yeah, no, Control C. Make group. Shift V. Move up. Yeah, no overlapping, that's good. But let's take you out. Shift V. Good. Now that one. Control C. This one. Shift V. Good. Come on, stop doing that stupid things, mouse. Good. Now that one. Oh, this one already been taken. Control C. Shift V. Move up. Got it. I think we can make 4K roof here. Control C. Shift V. Move up. Okie dokie. We have a problem here. Apparently we need to do something different with that roof because now we have an overlap. I think it's only overlapping here. In the worst case, what we can do is simply reuse one of the textures here because this is a pretty repeating texture. Let's see. Shift V. Good. Control C. Shift V. Another overlapping roof. Yep. It's not my fault, guys. Control C. Shift V. Move. So we need to figure out how to solve that problem with the overlapping roofs. Control. Well, I can do something different, and I have an idea what I can do. Control C. Shift V. But this will be, let's say, here. Control C. What is that? Shift V. Where we can put you away from that one. Let's put you here, up, here, and you are not in the right place. Shift V. Good. Well, this can go here, like that. Or you know what? Let's put you here and here. That's it. We have the shape for the roof. So this is all the textures of the roofs that we need to paint. Yeah, let's get to it. Let's say make unique texture. You're gonna be 2K. Control A, combine textures. Here we go. Bucket, Alt, very good, edit, send to editor. The fun part begins. Oh, so we have some textures from yesterday. That's nice. I don't need that one. Don't need that one. This is an older roof. This is a roof that we don't need anymore. Some kind of metallic textures, and this is our roof. Very nice image. Canvas size. No, we should not do canvas size, we should do image size. 4096. Okay. W. First, let's do magic wand. 1, 2. Tolerance 30. Continuous. Yeah, let's see what's wrong with the pickup here. Somehow we managed to do some mistakes here, so I'm gonna try to fix that one. Yeah, I think this is the most accurate I can get. Ctrl Shift I, plus, painted black, another new layer, Ctrl Shift I, black. It's gonna be the shading layer. Put it on 0 filling, and now I can go here and do inner shadow. This is too much inner shadow. Let's say 100 pixels will be more than enough. 75, maybe 15 here. Oh, this is very hard, strong shading. Maybe we need to separate it for different kind of shadings here. Oh, that's an option. I'm gonna think about that. So, yeah, definitely need to do other shadings here. Righty-tighty. But you get the trick here. I hope my stream is still alive. I won't find out that my OBS decided to give up again. So now what we need to do is start filling it with the materials that we want to put here. So let's get to work. We have too many textures to fill here. So local disk, panic bus is green. Yeah, I already used that one. And now I want to take the bone Eindhoven. Here you are. And do we have that one? Yes, we have the roof. I think it will be more than enough to fill all the necessary layers. So this is a little bit tricky. I will try to align roof by roof, and hopefully this will work somehow or another. So including the bridge. Good. It's gonna be the first one. Let's say enter. Good. Ctrl A, Ctrl C. Now we have that base, so let's put this one here. Oh, that's good. I was like not sure about all my troubles here. Well, never mind. It's good that you're following. I'm glad. Now I want to do some magics here. Shift. It should be here. Yeah, that's fine. Here we can do a little bit more stretching this direction. What about here? Just need to find the right location for each one of them and shift that. Ooh. Yeah, definitely have some troubles here. Ooh, we have some lumbers here. That's not right. Well, what I'm gonna do with that lumbers? Nothing probably. I think this is pretty good. So now the first roof has been placed. So let's call it photo roof main. And over that we can create a layer that we're gonna call it photo roof bitumen. Top bitumen. Now let's do the bitumen roofs because they are the easiest one. Okay. That one, that one, that one, and that one. Enter. Control A, Control C. Let's drop it. Control V. Here we go. Let's start doing the bitumen roofs. So you definitely should be here. Shift all the way here, all the way here, and we close that roof. Very good. Now we should do that roof. Righty-tighty. Control Z, Control Z. Now that roof. Oh, it's just a bitumenic roof. 1, 2, 3, enter. Control A, Control C, Control V for that bitumenic roof. Here we go. You should be here. I'm so waiting for my new ROM to arrive. I will be able to work on much bigger objects and Photoshop projects. This will be so great to be able to do that and not be, how to say it, not to be limited by my hard disk right now. Enter, Control A, Control C. So you should be filling that one here. Control T. That's fine. You should be here. Shift. Oh, here we have some leftovers. Let's do that one. That looks fine. Enter, Control T. Maybe a little bit more here. 1 pixel won't kill anyone. Anybody. That's right. Now that one. Oh, I already forgot which one is which. So we got this one. Can be also placed. Enter. Control A, Control C, Control V, Control T. Shift. That's fine. Shift. Note fine. One here. Very good. This one is done. Now the main strange shape roof here. I hope I will manage to get it in one shot. The only question is how we are gonna get the right perspective trimming here. Yep, I need to, you see, one of them is missing. So I do know this is correct, so the only one is not correct is that one. And here we can do some small adjustments. Here to here, and this one is correct, so I just need to align that line, and this should give us a nice squarish texture of that roof. Control V, very nice. Control T, just align it, one here, all the way here, a few clicks here. That's getting somewhere. Shift here, very nice. Shift here. All right, let's see what did I got. Well, I almost got what I need, but there's some misalignment here, so now it's time to start working on this misalignment. Tell you the truth, I don't know how to fix it, except doing some work on that. So what I'm gonna do is gonna create mask for that texture. I'm gonna go over that one here. I'm gonna, okie dokie, no, it was a bad mask because we have further, 0 further. Oh, this is my own PC, but I'm also working sometimes from work, and believe me, at work I have much worse computer, but it's fun because I build a computer at work, and also I'm working from this computer on my clients. So yeah, this is my work and also my home PC. Okay, why that one? Because I didn't hide that area. That's good. It's been hidden. Now we need to fix that line here before it's going to get over something that I don't want. So I'm no, not this one. Don't copy the mask. Simply go on that one. This one is correct. Do that. Maybe so something reddish, but not sure about it's reddish or not. And this one is done. Good. This roof is done. Now this roof is that roof, if I remember correctly. Control Z, Control Z. This, oh, damn. I don't like it. Like, yeah, we have an air conditioning unit on this roof, so need to already take it out. Well, let's take it out here. Control C, Control V, Control T, flip vertical. That's good. Well, it's pretty similar, so let's do Shift F5, Enter. That's not really happy about that. Well, about my computer at work, I have an i7 4th generation that have GTX 980, but believe me, it's pretty enough for an architect. And here at home, I have i9er 990K with RTX 2080, and I already said that I bought some RAM modules, new RAM, so I will get into Control C. That's bad because I lost probably the layer that I've been working on. So I need to re-import it. RTX 2080 Ti, and my hard disk are almost full, so I can't work on very big objects on Photoshop because when you're running out of RAM, it starts diverting the sketch memory into your hard disk. So if you have an SSD, you are shortening its life by a lot. And this is something I'm not happy with because, well, they need to stay healthy. Oh, yeah, we still managed to save this one. Hooray, 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 that's good. Now we're gonna take this one, and this one. Very good. Control A. Let's take. Have I Control V that one? No, I think it's not the right one. It should be that one. Control C, Control V. That's good. And someone sent me again message. Oh, come on. I don't have time for that. Fine. That's fine. Yeah, a lot of bitumining textures will go over that roof. Now we have this one. Woohoo! This one is a little bit problematic because I think we have some shadow there. Not so much, but yeah, we have some shadow here. So let's take all of that until here, and somehow I need to remove that shadow. Enter. It's fine. Control A, Control C, Control V. Oh, you know what? Before doing that, let's get rid of that one. Shift F5, enter. Yeah, dude, it did it. Control V, Control T. Well, there's two things I can do right now. One of them is use the roof as a photoreal with some cleanups, so I can locate all the systems I want, or else I can already finish the texture and do it manually a little bit after that by searching for the elements I want to put on the roof. It really depends, but I need to figure out how I'm gonna do that. This is too long for a bright texture. Maybe I'm doing it wrong. Let's see. Let's take a look at this texture. No, we have a very short, very long, so very short here. So this is fine. Oh, I thought I saved you. Well, my mistake. Gonna fix it. Shift here. That's fine. Well, definitely I want to bring back my computer that's been burned at my parents' home. I want to make it a retro simulator machine. Install some old simulators that I've been playing during my childhood. It's very hard to find them nowadays. Okay, this is fine. Alrighty tighty, this is done, so all the top proof been done. Now it's time to move for that layer again. Let's give it a color. Let's give it, let's say, this is top, so now I think blue will be fine. Now that layer, let's do the second roof. Righty tighty, let's do that triangle all the way from here to here and to that point, and hopefully we will get the right dimension. I need that one, little bit of here, won't kill anybody, till that point. This will be enough. Enter, Control A, Control C, Control V. Okay, you should be here. Let's put you below the first one. Control T. This is the right direction. This is the right direction. I should stand like this. So let's see what we're doing here. Yeah, I think it should be like that. Very good. Let's place you here. This is that line. Very nice. So we're gonna keep stretching you all the way here. Bring you down here. Here we should stretch you up. And looks pretty much where it should be. Yeah, enter. Good. Fine. Now that element need to be added, and then this element. And look at that, how much cleanups. we have to make here. That's fun. Well, let's do... No, I'm not gonna save it yet. Also, this one is not done yet, and I haven't placed the better aggregate texture over this roof, so a lot of work still need to be done here. This time I'm gonna take a small break, gonna stretch my legs, refill myself, and get to work in about 10 minutes. So I'm gonna put you some entertainment, you know what it's gonna be. Our queen cat is coming for the rescue. Here we are. So next, moving on. Control Z, Control Z. Now that one. That point, that point, that point, that point. Let's trim it. Let's see. Looks correct. Somewhere to the middle. To the edge here. That looks fine. That looks fine. Control A, Control C. And let's bring it here. Control T. Good. Okay, somewhere here. Drop you all the way here. That looks more than fine. Yeah, that's correct. Of course, some corrections will be needed here, but yeah, why not? Now the rest of that one, the most annoying one. I'm gonna call him. That's one from here to here. Here I have just a small problem. Like that. I think this is correct. The worst case we can always get here. Right, this is not aligned correctly. This aligned correctly. What about you? You can go like that. And here we can take it all the way here and press enter. Control A, Control C, Control V. Control T again. Now the fun part starts. Let's start aligning the last one. Something like that. Bringing it down and stretching this one up. Something like that. Looks correct. What about this one? Well, looks fine. Yeah, I can say this one looks fine. Don't see any other problem. The only thing that we need to do now is to isolate that group. So let's turn you into yellow, let's say, and now we will isolate you. And we need to make an even lower roof, or maybe not. Shift backspace has been removed. Very good. And now we need to add the bottom roof. Okay, this is the base of the base of the base, so it's gonna be a little bit challenging, but let's hope no that I won't do big mistakes here. That looks correct for that one. This should be correct, and enter, Control A, Control C, and this should be at the base, 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 Control T. So you get here, getting here, you should go up till here, this should go down. Yeah, probably a lot of elements here need to be removed and corrected, so it will fit more naturally. Yeah, that looks correct. Maybe this can go up a little bit, and this can go a little bit here. I'm not sure. That looks pretty fine in my opinion. Enter. All right, Control Shift E, Control S. Why is that happen? Because you are still present. Control S. Okay. Control Z. Control Z. Right. This should be updated here. So bucket alt. Well, before doing it, texture project. That's what we need. Bucket paste. Bucket paste. Bucket paste. Bucket paste. Bucket paste. But hey, we need a correction here. This one. Yeah, that's gonna be a little bit challenging to locate you correctly like that. Let's make sure it's also fine here. Not that much. It should be like that. And here, this is fine, fine. a bit like that, and this is fine. Okay. Bucket paint, and this one bucket paint again, same trick. Need to move that one to the desired location. Let's take a look here. Can take it a bit from here to here. That's fine. Don't forget that some shading will be added to this roof. And last one is that one. Bucket paint, paint, and bucket paint. Good. Hooray! Here we go. The first layout of the roof. So let's take a look at the systems that we have. Do we have anything big? Well, it's good to place them all right now and not after that. But we already start getting what we have here on the roof. So this one looks like air conditioning. Too bad the Google Earth is closed. Google Earth. Okay. Sorry about that. There you go. Let's zoom in to where we need. Eindhoven. Is it air conditioning units? That's my question. This looks like a water storage. VRF system with 3 fans. Doubled air conditioning unit maybe. Another VRF unit, VRF unit, VRF unit. VRF unit. Well, a lot of VRF units. So let's do that first. I want to save this texture as it is. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go here, do File, Save As, let's call it Roof. Material 6, no problem. We're gonna have the PSD here. Now we want to do Save As and save it as a JPEG, so we always can return to it. Material 6. And let's start cleaning up. So this is the base roof. Let's start with the top roof first. So we have everything here. And now let's ask our friend AI to start doing the cleanups. Oh, that's nice. We have a better one. Oh, even better. Good. Generative fill, generate. We have some probably billboard here. Wonder if we have a billboard here. Need to investigate that. So all that can be Control E. It's too bad that this is like one layer. This is a little bit challenging. All that VRF systems here that need to be cleaned somehow. Generate. Oh, very nice work. Control E. You know what? Let's see what other options we have here. Like that and like this. Which one is that one or that one? I think this one is better. Generative fill, generate. Okay, that's fine. No, I don't like that one. We have this one. This one is much better. Control E. Good. We have some boundaries here, so we can do some cleanup. Oh, come on. Where's the clone tool? That's good. The small one can be simply removed by that. Now we have some dirt here, so I want to keep it. And this one, no, this one is already like that one here, so kind of careful with the erasement here. Okie dokie, we need something like that here at the end. And something like that maybe here to do the lining. This is a little bit challenging. Do we have something like that similar to this one? No, too bad. Nope. This is the skylight. Oh, nope. Careful, careful here. No, that one. Remove like that, like this. Very good. 3 air conditioning units. You can go off. That's fine. Very good. Another air conditioning unit. You can go off. Okie dokie. Not this one. Here we can remove that one. Okay, we have a VRF unit here that I don't like. I've already said that I don't like this unit. Also, I don't like this wall here. Do it very carefully to erase that one. Yep. I'm still thinking how to erase this one too, because this one is a little bit challenging. I just see that I made a mistake here with that top roof. Where is the top roof? This one, right? We need to make a mask for that one. Here we go. It's been deleted. Righty-tighty. Let's keep going. There's some lumbers here that we can remove. And this one too can be removed. Some leftovers here. And this one is clean. Very good. I already have that one, so maybe I can reuse that one here. Yeah, hopefully that's worked perfectly. Except that BRF unit here, that's still a little bit not at the right place. Something need to be done a little bit differently about that one. Right, now this one is gone. This should get here. Good. Oh, this is the bottom floor. Righty-tighty. Lots and lots of air conditionings here. Oh, nope, 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 nope. It's fine now from this side. Let's make it 50%. Oh no, 50% from here. That's good. 100% back again. Yeah, I'm gonna open the chat again. Let's see what people are saying. Oh, nothing here, nothing here. Right. So I still need to figure out how to make it correct. VRF units. Doki. Yeah, this should go all the way up here. Careful, careful, careful with that one. Too much. Too much here. Well, the main roof start being clean now. Still have some air conditioners that I forgot here. Oh, they will be done in a second. Oh yeah, that one. Well, we can do some tricks here. This one is not needed, definitely. Yeah, let's take it inner. Okay, all that need to be fixed. Yep. Well, well. We do need to patch and bitumen layer here. And I have one here. Let's say I need the dimensions of that one, but with furthering. So let's say 5 furthering. Now I need to move you. So no, I want to move you. Oh yeah, this is the moving tool. Very good, very nice. I'm gonna sample that one from here. Control C, Control V. Let's hope it's gonna work. Oh yeah, it's working, very nice. So we have one here. I think it's gonna be even less than that. Let's say it's gonna be 2.5, furthering 2.5, enter. This is the size. Let's sample again. Let's get here. Let's do that one. Control C, Control V. Yep. Okie dokie, not good. This one is not needed because this one is here. Delete. Oh, come on. Control C, Control V. Now I got it. Here we go. So this is that one. See, we don't need this one. We just need this one. All right. One is here. Control J again. One is here. Control J again. Come on. One is here. And have I forgot? Yeah, I forgot one. Control J. One is here. Control T. Shift like that. That's fine. One is here. Very nice. Minus, minus, enter. Something else that we forgot? I don't think so. Now let's start cleaning up the mess here. This clone tool can remove all of that at once. So we have a line here like that, the dashed line. Ooh, no. Dashed line is here, so it would be good to do it here. And here we can simply start doing by this one, that one, that one. The air condition can go. This air condition can go away. Yeah, we have something like that here. And almost clean. Beautiful. Now we have a clean, almost have a clean roof. So we still have to make some cleanups here. This been cleaned up. Now let's clean up. Oh no, close. That's fine. Now here. Okay. Yeah, I still need to clean up here. And here. All right. Any other leftovers? That's been a long ride. Yeah, we did still need to clean this one. Just saying that. So let's clean up that one here. Oopsie. Yeah, too much. That looks good. Okay. Now we did this one. Let's work on the bottom one. Let's put it here. Let's turn you into red, reddish color. And first, this one has some leakages, so let's stop the leakages first. That, like this, should not affect the roof at the bottom. Good. And these should be blacked. Good. Right. Now let's get to work. We can do the upper roofs. Well, I don't know. Let's do the bottom roof first. We have a lot of work to do on the bottom roof, so let's add a new layer here and start cleaning up the mess here. Ooh, nope, 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 nope. This one. Righty tighty. Nope. Let's skip this one. That's interesting. I'm gonna do this one. I'm gonna remove all these balconies. Nobody gonna see them. Just a waste. It should be a darker, where we have a darker. Oh yeah, here we have a darker one. We can use this one on that area. It's nice, no problem. Now let's make it smaller again. here. Good. Don't see any other problems here. Ooh, yeah, now more further in here. This side is clean. Now we need to do something with that side, and all the side here is definitely broken. This is by all the means that need to think about how to fix that area. And simply taking a dark one from here. So a lot of repasting of that area will be needed here. Maybe there is something darker here. No, it's darkest and the most dirtiest one is located here. So here we go. This is almost done. So now we'll start materialing this one, and I will be more happy to see how it's coming along. But before that, let's finish this one. Oh, no, 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 no. Yeah, more here. More here. Very good. So, the bottom roof is done. Now it's time to start doing the top roof. This is the top roof. All of them are set are like that one. Control E. Let's start doing the cleanup. So we have you here. Will be like that, and you will be like gone. This is gone. This is gone. This is clean. Now that one. Yeah, it's too bad I'm not using any AI tool here to speed up things. Oh, yeah. Also, I see that we need to do some work to not allow these roofs to get from that one to other locations, like leaking out. Oh, nope. So I can do only that one. Oh, come on. Okie dokie, nope. Simply remove that one, that one, that one too. Very nice. Just don't want to see that here, so try to make it soften. That's good. I did see something that I didn't like here. This is that roof, so I need to make a correction here. It's fine. Now let's go to the upper roof. Let's do. Oh, here we forgot a lot. Yep. Well, good that I'm still looking at what I'm doing. Good. Now that can go too. Not needed. This one is not a problem at all. Just like clean this one up like that. Same to this one. Oh no, we have something different here. Like this one. That's fine. Alright, and that's the most annoying roof, I think, in my opinion. Gonna be. Nope. Try to avoid the left one. I took this one, so the line is somewhere here. Yeah, never mind. Now I'm gonna get rid of that. Let's try generative fill. Let's see what I'm gonna do. Oh, it's on 2.5 centimeters. Damn. Okay, no. Probably it won't work at the first time. Yeah, but it worked. And I'm pretty satisfied. Control E. Nothing to fix here. Just maybe a little bit more corrections here, but not that serious. The only thing we need to get this roof a little bit more further. Control backspace, very good. So let's make sure nothing has been forgotten. Well, I can say that I'm not like what I'm seeing here. Maybe we can do some AIing to you. And let's say we're gonna make it 0. We'll try to regenerate this area so it won't. Oh, come on, stupid mouse. So it won't be repeating itself. Generate. Because it's pretty similar to the one near. Yeah, nope. 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 Well, it's better, but still needs some work to do on that one. Let's do Control E. Let's try at least to do 50% over that one with this. 50%. Try to do that. That. So I forgot something. Just looking. No, everything looks fine. So the roof is done. Very, 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 very good. Now we need to start. Well, let me see again if the roof is done. Yeah, here we forgot something. Always forgetting something 100%. Just forget this area a little bit. Can do some improvements here to prevent it from leaking. And I don't think it's leaking anymore. Here we have some white textures. Wonder how can I fix that one? Let's see if that's has any related issues to something that I did wrong. Well, not a big problem. So now we need to start dropping the gravel. Right. Okie dokie. We have bitumen and gravel textures. So that's what we will be using here. Okay. We got all of that layers. Let's close them. And now let's create new one. Gravel. Gravel. Very nice. And I need to find a aggregate. Texture, aggregate, gravel, gravel. Let's see. Extra large. Oh yeah, we have something. Yeah, we can use that one. Very nice, very good. So it should be smaller. Yeah, just wish I knew an automated option to simply put it as much as possible out of this one. As yeah, you know what I mean. Like I have that one. I'm gonna put it inside gravel. Control J. Then it's gonna move it here. And then I'm gonna do Control J again. Gonna move it here. Control J again. Gonna move it here. Control J. So if there is an automated way to do that one much quicker, all the way here. Let's see, is it, yeah, it's fused. Control J again. No, it's fused. Control J again. It's fused. Control J again. This is the most annoying thing here. Okay, yeah, good. So all of them been fused. Control E and Control J. Now Control E down, Control J up, Control E again, Control J, Control E again, Control J. Oh, we're almost done. Haha. That's nice. Like that. And Control E. Let's do Control J so we can do that and do Control E. Then Control J here, Control E. This way we're sure that nothing will be overlapping. So now we need to do trimming of what we don't need. So this is not needed. This one is not needed on the gravel. This is not needed on the gravel. This is not needed on the gravel. This one is not needed on the gravel. This one is not needed on the gravel. And definitely you are not needed on the gravel floor. What else? Oh, and this one. It's not needed on the gravel floor. Now we have also some concrete floor and bitumenic floor. So you should be, let's say, 33. That's good. And we have some dots of other things here. So we got you, let's say, Control J again, and you will be multiplied. For that roof, very nice. Now we need to do the bitumenic roof, righty-tighty. Well, the bitumenic roof is a little bit more challenging. Let's create new one. Bitumen roof, righty-tighty. So bitumenic roof is located, well, we need first to find a good bitumenic texture. Let's look for that. Bitumenic. B2. We got that one, but I have the old one. Is it tutti? B2, B2, bitumen. I thought I had more textures. Okay, roof. Extra large, yeah, this is extra large. So let's take a look at the old one that we had. Where I had that texture, I'm just looking for that one. Oh yeah, something like that. I like this old plates patterns. The question is, where is the original texture? Okay, enough is enough is enough. Let's take that one. And let's put it here. Here we go. Enter. Now we got it. Okay, I need to put it on 33% because I want to see how this one is aligning with others. So that's what we have here. Control T. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So we have one starts here, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that's what we have here. So we have something like that here. Very nice. And Control J to you, my friend. You're going here. That's right. Good. Control J to you. We have you here, but you starts here somehow. This is a little bit different. No problem. Control J again. You are going here, and where is the middle one of that one? Yeah, this is already aligned correctly, so you starts here. The only question about these two, are they aligned correctly? Yeah, they're pretty much aligned correctly. We have one here and one here, so maybe we can do something differently here. No, with that one. Yeah, with this one here. Very nice. Yeah, the only problem now that I see here that they're overlapping. I don't want them to overlap, so this is done. Control J. That's nice. You know what? Why am I doing so much troubles out of that one? Yeah, I should not make so much troubles out and noise out of that one. This should move a little bit here, and then we have our divide point here. Very nice. Now this is the most challenging one. Okay, Control J, Control T. This goes like that. This is fine until we get here, and I have no problem with that one. Let's turn this one into a group. Enter. Yeah, you both get here. Now let's turn them into 100%. Okay, all of you should be 100%. Right? Why you're not all of you 100%? All of you should be filled 100%. Yeah, they've been filled correctly. Now I said that I don't like this one. This one is here. You see there is the line somewhere here. Yeah, this will make the life much easier. Now the one at that one should be also 100%. And you should be 100% good. Now let's take a look what goes here. This goes like that, and then it's changed the direction. So let's do, you puts that one into that. Gonna do some trimming. I said do some trimming. Control I, very good. Now from here, I want to take that two, Control J, bring them here. Very nice. I think this should be here. And just inviting some kind of details. Gonna do that. I'm gonna trim it on that line. Control backspace, nope. Control I, very good. And now we can close it again. 1, 2, Control J, gonna put it here. I'm gonna bring it like that here. Control T. Now I need to align them to be exactly at this scale. Very nice. Almost there. So there should be longer. That looks fine for you. Oh yeah, I can live with that. I just need a little bit of rotation here. This looks fine. Okay, no problem. So how many other... Oh, I have now the two roofs to do. Okay. So you are anywhere. Control J. Let's take you all the way here. That's fine. And you should be rotated 90 degrees like that. And we should place you somewhere here. Very good. This is your line, so let's mark it. And vertically you should be here. Control lines. And another one is here. Let's mark that one. It's fine. Control J. Come on. Enter. Control J. Gonna bring it here. Sure. Now where's the line? Here. Is that symmetrical? Yeah. Pretty good. No problems. And now for that one, Control J. And here we need to rotate it like this. Let's see how it will be aligned here. That's the most challenging part, I think, in my opinion. Oh yeah, we have some troubles here. Just need to be one segment. Well, how many segments? 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's thinner. Like it should get like that. There should be 4 here. 4 segments. Like that. We have 4 here, 4 here, and 4 here. Very nice. That's the size that we'll be dealing here with. That's fine. And let's put all the 4 here. But we need to make it a long running segment. So how are we gonna achieve this one? That's a good question. We can keep it this way, or we can do another Control J and simply take it all the way here. And then do it again, Control J, take it all the way here. Now you know what, let's place it simply here and stop complaining about that one. Now all that done, so we need to cut down the leftovers. Yeah, let's do Control I and we'll start cutting down the leftovers. Oh, come on, mouse. Please work. That's fine. That's fine. Almost done, guys. We're gonna see the result very soon. Here we go, 33. Control J, multiply. We have it. Just wondering if I'm like what I'm saying here. Yeah, that's fine. Maybe we can only keep it and on a multiply. Let's see what multiply gonna make here. Yeah, it's making nice things, but not what I need. 50. Maybe we can keep some of that. Let's say 20. Yep, very good, fine. So we still have some concrete surfaces to add here and the shading. So now let's work on the concrete. Now we have two of that, so let's call it bitumen. Bitumen roof. Now concrete. Conc. And here we're gonna do further 2.5 enter. Okay, now let's find the concrete. Conc. Enter. Some concrete texture. Some nice concrete. Oh, this is the broken concrete from the ground poly. I still need to fix that one. That looks pretty. Yeah, so concrete, well, I don't know what is that. This is 1000. No, it's too small for that roof. Just looking for something bigger. Oh, what is that? 3000. Good enough? No, I know what is that. This is not a good one. This is too dirty. I had some nice concrete texture somewhere. I forgot where I placed them. Oh, we have that wall. Okay, we can use that. Simply gonna put it here. That's good. Let's stretch it all the way, all across this photo. That's fine, fine, fine. Very, very, very good. Now, I'm gonna put it at concrete. Let's turn it into black and start doing the concrete surfaces. So we got one here. That's not what I want because it should be furthered. 3 pixels will be good enough. No, let's show that one. We have a very big surface here. So this one will be a concrete one. So I have a very big one here. That's nice. We have a concrete surface here. Fine. That's a little bit tricky here. I think I got message. Let's see what I got. It's a concrete. Let's see, what did I got? Oh, our guy here asking. Well, always can play with the, how it's called, with the alpha a little bit later. I'm gonna show you what I mean when I'm saying playing with the alpha a little bit later. But first, let's do that. I don't like it so much. Maybe we can scale it a little bit differently. First, let's try to put it on multiply. Like that. Yeah, this is too much multiply. Let's say it's gonna be 33 or 55, 30, 33, 33. Let's do Control J again, and you will be, let's say, normal. So we do get some concrete texture below, but the problem is that we need to get rid of that from the gravel. Lucky for us, we can do it here, and now we can do invert for this. We'll get something like that. So as I said, I don't like how the alpha meets that one. And overall, we always can simply remove that one and look for different concrete texture if we don't like that one. So let's take a look here again, see if I can find any concrete texture that I like more. My eyes, oh, that one looks fine, but it didn't work before, so why should it work now? That's a good thought. Uh, let's do some shopping, because I'm not satisfied with that. Where's the search? Concrete. I did a mistake, I think. Need to do that. Let's simply find a nice dirty concrete somewhere here. Facade of a concrete. Okie dokie. No, it should be pretty soft and, concrete floor. Okay. That's what we need. Yep, let's start searching. This is seamless. Yeah, can find something else that will do the work here. Nope, we have some colors here. We need something without colors. And that's all that we have. That's not good. Just trying to imagine how it's gonna look like. Well, something like that will be fine, but it's not same as texture, so that's a small problem. Seamless. This is not seamless. This is seamless, but we have lines here. Well, let's take that one. 3000. Let's drop it into Photoshop. Good. Yeah. So how many of them do I need? Probably a lot. Let's put one here. Let's put inside concrete. Control J and try to fill everything up. I don't like the scratches, like maybe it's not the right one. That's it. That's all the concrete that we have in this project. Let's put one here. Let's put US multiply 33 multiply Control J again as normal. Yeah, it's not the right texture. Control Z. One is here, one is here, one should be normal. See, it's not a good texture. Delete. Come on, delete that one. Delete group, enter. Okay, that's not a good texture. Let's search for something else. Simply take that one. I think nothing bad about this one. Yeah, that seems fine. Also, I can patch it per hole. Let's try that one. Control J. What is that group? Something inside that group? No, this is an empty group. Okay. Now let's create a new group. Put you here. Start duplicating it for every place where we have that material. Control J. Here. Control J again. Here. Control J again. Here. Control J again. Here. Let's see. That's all. Yeah, that's all. Right. Now you will be multiplied. Let's put you on 50%. Good. Now let's do Control J to you, and you will be normal. That's fine. Yeah, that looks pretty good for that texture. The only thing that I didn't like is the how the mask works here. Like it's too. This could be like, let's say I'm gonna do it 150, so it will be more sharpened. 150 here for the concrete and for the main. This one, Control L, should be 150. No, it doesn't do anything. Well, strange. I don't know. Oh, because probably this is inside. No. What is that layer? Oh, roof main. Because I'm working on the wrong one. Yeah, I should work on that one. So I should work with that, and here we can play with the white one. So it will be more inside without all these whites. Let's see how it looks like now. It looks pretty good. I won't do anything else. So now it's time for the most fun part. This is doing the shading correctly. You can do it like that, but I don't like it so much because I do think that some of the objects need to get different shading. Like the skylights should be less like the skylights should be less strong, like that, they should be represented differently. Also that should be represented differently, like, nope, Control X, all that should be gone. One second, what I'm doing here. Okay, that should be a black texture, so we're gonna paint that one, default X, and it's still not painting it. I don't know why. Trying to get rid of that shading here. Inner shadow. Interesting. Not, as you can see, not everything is working as you are planning it to work. So this will be gone. Also, that will be gone. I want to recreate different kind of shading here. Yeah, this is gone. Smaller roofs will get their different shading. This will be gone. That one will be gone. That one will be gone too. That one will be gone too. Good. Just make sure nothing else is doing some troubles here. Fine, fine, fine. Fine. We still need to get something from here. Let's see. I made a mistake here. This should be deleted. Yep. I made a terrible mistake, I think. Delete. Let's take that again. Yeah, you know what? No. Let's take that again. Create new layer. Shift I and backspace. Good. I had to use delete and not that option. So copy layer style, paste layer style, and remove the old one. Good. So I had to use delete and not the one I'm using here. That's my problem. Delete. No, delete for that one. Delete. Oh, kidoki, now it's stronger. Inner will be filled. Outer will be deleted. That's my mistake. So mistakes are used to be outer will be deleted, so their shadow will be much stronger. Delete. Good. Now I understood my mistake, so let's start fixing it. Delete. Also, we have two roofs here, so why not doing different shading for each one of the roofs? That's right. So that roof is not needed. It can get its own shading. It's interesting thought, I think. All that is gone. Better. Now the roof below will get much more shading. The moment that my mouse decides to work, I will be very happy. So this will get delete. This will get filled. This will be deleted. No, this should be deleted. This should be filled. Come on. No, oh, this will be filled. Okay, so now I have only that roof. Oh, and I forgot to delete that one. Okay. What should I do with that? I should fill it. Good. So we have the upper roof. That's good. Now let's do it again. Come on! Stupid mouse, or maybe it's stupid Photoshop. My computer doesn't react very good now. Okay, my computer simply decided not to react as good as it should be. As it should react. I don't know why, but I think it's because I'm running out of resources here. Something very strange happened with that. I don't know what. Oh, kidoki, something really. Okay, come on. Why you're not barely working? No, you are working. Something strange happened here, and I already said that. Okay. This one is not right. You should be deleted. I don't know what's wrong with you, my friend. I think I know what's wrong with you already, tidy. Let's have something to do with the masking. Is it? You see, that one is not right. You should be higher. Come on. Stop being that annoying. Okay. That's weird. No more layers above. Well, I can try to get to the base layer. Control J. Let's see what's wrong with you, my friend. W, all the whites should be blacked. Again, magic wand. Shift, 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 shift. Yep. And let's make a new one. Control backspace. Let's see if that's fixing the problem. Not sure if it's fixing the problem right away, but should be better. Okay, let's do delete for that one and delete for this one. No, let's keep it as it was. But you see, now it's more logical. Maybe I softened the old one. Well, never mind. Let's get back to work. So we want to take you. Oh, we want to take you. That one is not correct. Now we're gonna take you. Let's do shading for the small roofs. Shift I. And gonna get here. Gonna do plus. Gonna do that one. Gonna put you on 0. Filling. And copy layer style. Copy, 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 copy layer style. Copy layer style. Very good. Paste. Now we should remove all the rest. So you will be gone. So this one will be gone. It's pretty easy. Just need to keep that one alive. And I said that these roofs should be a little bit more lighter in terms of how much they will be shaded from the inside. And delete. Good. So we need to delete that one, that one, that one. All of that will be deleted. Definitely all of that will be deleted. Everything here will be deleted. This will be deleted. And also that one. And that one. And that one. That one. That one. That one. That one. All the way here. Oh, I see I'm working with how it's called. Feather 2.5. That's bad. I should not work with feather. But at least the right one being selected. Let's do the effect now. Inner shadow. So here we're talking about less. It should be like 75. And also 0 on that one, but let's make it 75 or even 100. No, it's too much 100. Let's put it on 80 and put it at 66. And maybe 5 for the borders to be. So this one is done. Now we have the main one, inner shadow, that one. This is 66, 15, let's make it 10. That's fine. Let's make it 150 maybe. 150 is too much. Let's make it 100 for this floor. And for the bottom floor, we'll make it that amount. So this one is done. And Ctrl Shift I again. Gonna get here, gonna go here, gonna do paste, gonna put it on 0. And in this case, we're gonna paste layer style. And let's start by simply removing everything that we don't need from here. And here I want to make it darker. Like the bottom floor will be, delete. The bottom floors will be even darker. I simply want to do the shading for the bottom here. That's good. So all that will be removed. Careful, getting back here. Delete. Very good. So I said the bottom should be darker. Let's do it. Inner shadow. It's in a lower floor, so let's make it 150. Preview, as long as it's not influencing anything else. It's correct, and let's make it 75. It's too much, 125, let's say. Let's make it 73, and you are 15, so 110 maybe for the bottom floor. Yeah, I can live with that one. It's nice shading. Now only the skylights need to drop some light, some shadow, someone. Okay. Continuous will be turned off. Gonna take the skylights. Gonna do that. Gonna paste layer style. Okay, this is the wrong layer style. And definitely it's not inner shadow. It should be drop shadow. Let's see. Drop shadow. Here we go. And we are talking here about how much shadow should they drop. Let's say it's gonna be 50 pixels, strength 50, and 15 here. Let's take a look. As long as it's not affecting the second floor, I will be happy. Okay, very good. 60 pixels, very good. 66 for you. Let's make it 5. That's fine for the skylights. Okay. So we can say that the roof is done. File, save as JPEG, material. Well, before that, let's save you as PSD. You've been saved as PSD. Are you ready for the big moment? Are you? Let's see. Really exciting. Echo Hotel, Echo Hotel. Bond Eindhoven roof. Let's take a look at the result. Right, I'm really excited. So that's what we have. Um, that's a pretty. I think I still need that one. You still need that one. Yes, I still need that one. Let's take you and let's replace the material. Bone and oven. After that, we'll start doing. Okay, bone and oven roof. Okay, bam. Well, let's get rid of that one. Move down, 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 down. Here, very good. So here's the roof. What do you think? Well, finally, it starts to look like a building. I'm happy. I'm pretty happy with the result. Let's celebrate it with some render. Oh, the timing is not good, but well, I will not complain about that one. Oh, my phone needs to be charged. And it's a brand new day now. Well, you can put a song from Sting, Brand New Day. Oh, I forgot to wish birthday for one of my friends. That's not good. There's some strange line here. You see it? Are you seeing it? That's weird. Let's inspect it. What went wrong here? It's not that one. It's not that one. It's not that one. 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 Not. Okay, it's something inside the bitumen layer. Okie dokie. Bitumen. Well, apparently it has something to do with that layer. Which layer is that? This is the multiply layer. Okay, what went wrong in here? I take this layer and tell you delete. Now I'm gonna take this layer, I'm gonna do Ctrl J. I'm gonna put you as multiply, and you're 50. No, this is passing through. What the? Passing through. Normal. Okay, this is normal. 50. Multiply. Okay, let's turn it into normal. And this will be multiply. And this should be, let's say, 20. Normal, multiply, 33%. That's weird, but now there's no strange line here. Ctrl Shift E, file, save as JPEG. Eindhoven bound roof, yes, bound roof. Save it. One Ctrl Z here. Let's take a look at the concrete plates. Conk, 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 too many layers. This is the conk, right? Yeah, the conk is fine. So it was strange to see that layer. Maybe it's moved somehow or any other things that been disturbed there. But here we go. We got the roof now. A fixed roof. Fine, very good. So let's have fun from this one, as long as we manage to finish it. And I'm gonna take a small break, and we have 0 viewers. Why is that? Well, that's a good question. Why I have 0 viewers? This needs to be investigated. OBS, are you working? Oh, hello, hello. I'm doing fine. How are you? Just want to take a small break after finishing the texture of the roof. Now it's time to breathe some air and prepare for placing the installations around the roof. So I'm gonna be back in 5 to 10 minutes, I think. Just want to get something to drink. Okay, I'm back. So as you can see, we have some um, success with the roof. So now it's time to start working on the installations that will go there. So we have a new viewer and he's already left. Too bad, too bad. Well, never mind. Let's do plus. Let's upload the old roof texture, material 6, no problem. And let's open that group. Here we go. And what I want to do now is to first get rid of my cat. You already got a treat today. Everyone heard that you got a treat. And yeah, now let's take all the faces and I'm gonna replace them by the original texture. Very good, here we go. So, Intel drivers available. I wonder which drivers are new here. And now let's get all the things that we need. So we need some air condition. I don't think I'm gonna find some here or any tubes on this roof. Oh, we have an air condition here. Very nice. Let's take you, my friend. You're going to that model. Control V. Here we go. We got an air condition. Understand how big is that model is. So 90 degrees. Enter. Yeah, let's turn on the shadings and all that here. One is here, one is here, one's we have air condition farms here. Let's do that, 90 degrees, enter. Let's put you here, one's here, one is here. 90 degrees. Enter, move. Good, we got 2 air conditions here and lots of air conditions here with their VRF system, of course. 90, 180. Well, we've got one here, one here, one here. That's good. And we need to place all of them, I think. So we have that one here. We have a lot of duplicated air conditions. Move, duplicate. One is here, one is here. Very nice. Let's keep going. One is here, one is here. Well, they have an air conditioning system. Why they need to have duplicated air conditions here? That's weird. 180, enter. Do I have another model of an air condition that they want to look the same everywhere? Yeah, that's the goal right now, to get an air condition unit that looks a little bit differently. I wonder which model has the most air conditions. Let's see what I finished in the past. Let's take a look at my server, at previews of the last models, news and updates. And let's check where I use different air conditions. I need a tripled air condition unit. Tripled air condition unit. No, not here, but there is something good in this model that I can be reusing. There's only duplicated air conditions. I need a tripled air condition. Not here. What about that one? Again, duplicated air condition. No. Not good. Not good. Not what I'm looking for. And it's been a long since I published something else and haven't been working on that model. Right. Oh, my back. Oh, here I see something that I can be using. This is called Park and Fly 21. City Park and Fly 21. Here it is. We can reuse something from that model. That looks like would be a good thing. Hello, darling. You found your place. Looks like you will never find your place. Okay. Like I can use the Royal Merchandise model. Why call it the merchandise? I don't know. Well, I said there's something good here. Let's open the model of Royal Merchandise. Royal. Here it is. So this is the latest one. City, yep, that one. I hope so. Okay, this one is opening. I think this one is already opened. And I saw a lot of different air conditioning units on that roof of this building. The moment it start moving, yeah, start moving, very good. Well, this is basically the old same air conditioner I've already been using, so that's not helping me so much. Oh, it's taking so long to open all the... Oh, no, this is a different air conditioner, very good. I like it. I'm gonna be using that one too, Control C. Right, we have different air condition for that roof. There's nothing like using different air conditioners for the roof. Righty-tighty, here we go. 90 degrees, good. You will go here, a bit here, and you will go here, and I'm gonna flip you on the red, and flip you on the green. This way, don't need to realign you again. Oh, Mercury, I don't need it, your updates. Thank you for being that concerned about my computer. Well, we have more air conditions here. And that's it, I think. Oh, we have something here. 90 degrees. Enter. I said 90 degrees. Enter. Thank you. Now let's take only one of them. 1 and 2. Good. Oh, too much zooming out. Some air condition that sits like that, very good, but this is the old model. No, we got one here. And plus, one will be sitting here. 90 degrees. Come on, stop. Come on, my mouse simply decided to give up on me. One will be here. One will be here. One will be here. No, this should be rotated 180 degrees. Good. Move. Duplicate. Okay, the rest will be the other model, that model. Move. Copy. So many air conditions here on that roof. 180. And many air conditions here on that facade. 90 degrees. Move. Move. I told you move. One here. One is here. Good. Hope they won't be touching anything that we don't need. Degrees. Ah, come on. Not 90 degrees. 90 degrees. This will be rotated 180 degrees. And we have an air conditioned farm here. $90, enter. Have you ever thought why 90 located where it's located? It's pretty close to where you should have it. This will be 45 degrees. Like it's very close to the zero. 90, enter. Anything else? Well, still working on that. No, this one is not needed. That's fine, and we have 3 air conditions here. 1, 2. Let's move you here. And we're gonna rotate you 90 degrees. And you will move again from here to here. Oh, like that. Very good. Let's take the old air condition unit, and we'll be playing with that one too. Degrees. That's fine, fine. 180. Now I want to put it here. 90, enter. Is that 2 air conditioning units? Maybe. Gonna put them here. I think we have enough air conditioners. Now we have that hatch here. It's pretty high one. Look at that. How high is that tower? We have that tower here, I think. Let's take one of them and put it here. Control V. Yeah, this one should grow now. Like that. Very nice. Very good. You will be placed. Oh, you're sticky. You're glued. Unglue. Very good. Don't be gluey. Let's take that one. Move. Duplicate. Just want to make different air conditions to be here. Yeah, that farm looks strange. I think we need to put different one at least here, so people will see that I'm not doing stupid work. Like, get different air conditions. Oh no, it's the same air condition. There. Where's the old one? This is the old one. Yeah, move, duplicate. Good. You should be here. 180. Good. And move here and a little bit here. Fine. Now they are not repeating themselves. Different places for air conditions. Here we have a different one. Let's take the modern one. Where would you have the modern one? Here's the modern one. Move. We have one here. Good. So people will see that we are trying to put different creatures and types of that one. Okay, good. Almost done, I think. 90. Enter. Good. Oh no, just decide to elevate itself. No, don't elevate yourself. Something else that we need to do? Yeah, we need to put some hatches here. Good. I open you because I saw something that maybe I will be needed. Oh, we have 3 modules. Very good. That's what I need. I need 3 modules. Now let's start by putting you. One here. Good. Very nice. But they are darker. 90 degrees. Very good. One is here. Yeah, it looks smaller. Let's make it a little bit smaller. Like 0.8. Move. One is here. Nothing at this facade. We have one here. But this one is like rotated 180 degrees. 180 degrees. Very good. Somewhere here. This only one. This also only one. So I need to find something that will replace that one. This is a tripled one. And my phone just decided to make a gling gling. What the fuck? I'm getting mails from work at 12 minutes ago. You know, they're sending plans right now. So apparently I'm not the only one who's sending materials for my clients. Well, 90 degrees. Should be here and here. Very nice. Yeah. and I have a different type. Oh yeah, we've got that one also here. Control. That one here too. 90. One is here. Very good. And we have a lot of other pipes and installations here that probably need to be somehow brought into consideration. Okay, that's fine. We have one unit here and one unit here with only one air condition. Can I find something like that? I think I remember seeing it somewhere. But where did I saw it? Well, we got that small one. Yeah, I need something smaller than that. There is a way to make it smaller. Let's do Control C, Control V. Let's get back here. Well, we have a big one here and a small one here. So the small one can get 0.5 and 0.05 this direction. And now it's going to get 0.75 this direction. And this, we're going to put both of them here. That's good. Okay, where else? Each one of them has a big one, I see. So move. One is here, big one. One is, okay, this is pretty symmetrical. So you're here. We have the third one. Yeah, we also have one here. Very good. Move, duplicate. Yeah, very good to know that this is a symmetrical situation. We have one here. Oh, and we have also 2 units of air conditioning here. I think we have something similar to that. Let's take a look. Well, which one can I use? I think I can reuse that one. Move. This can be here. That's fine. And we have something like that here too. I want to take that modern one. Or we can find this the modern one. Move. So many air conditions and pipes and units been dropped into this project. Move, duplicate. The only problem now that I do see is that this one and this one are not correct. Yep, because this one should be, I know where this one should be righty-tighty. I think it's time to take all of the things here without that one. Move, duplicate. You think you're done? Tell me the truth, I don't know if I'm done. I still need to put that stupid VRF system here that I'm not satisfied with. So let's get back and scout for what I need. I already scouted from the merchandise office. Yeah, I see. I have that kind of tower. It's not a coolant tower, not that. Let's take a look again at the models that I already made. Just need one VRF system with one fan, a square one. Where can I find one like that? That's a good question. No, this is double VRF system. So sad that I know what is the VRF system. No, this one doesn't have anything. So maybe it's part of that model. Just checking it. Where's the finished model? Oh, here it is. Doubled VRF system, but I can turn it into a single. This is on gasoline building. Jocelyn building. Let's go there. Jocelyn building. And again, too many models being open. No, not Jocelyn number 2, Jocelyn number 1. I don't know, I'm maybe not reading right the name of the building. So we still have some time here. Well, we're just waiting for the model to open. Oh, it's already opened. Very good, but probably need to wait for it to load. Ugh. Come on, load. Load yourself. Please load. Please load. How long should I wait for you to be loaded? Yeah, here we go. That's what I need. Need one like that. Control C. Very nice. And yeah, nothing else that I can be using from here. Not that I see anything, but let's copy you into the ceiling, into the roof. Okay, Control V. That's right, you should be here. Now, 90 degrees. Enter. Move. Let's see what's wrong with the fence. Everything is wrong with the fence. Oh, at least the size is correct. So let's see how we're gonna be doing that. Okie dokie. Make unique. I'm gonna get rid of you. Delete, 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 delete. Very good. Delete, delete. Hidden lines. Shift D. Very good. Now we can get rid of that one. Nicely done. And you should probably move to the top. Move. How much? 15 centimeters. Is that enough? Yeah, but you don't look symmetrical. Maybe I'm not sitting correctly near the computer. This one is 71. This one is 71. Well, my eyes are broken if I'm not seeing it as a round object. Yeah, probably it's a big problem. Alt from here. Bucket to here. I think this is good enough. Hidden lines. We got one. And how many of that one should we have? We have two here. Very nice. Maybe some small system here that probably have some pipes and good stuff. 90 degrees. So you're here. Move. Now this one is, oh, forgot one air condition here. What a I'm so many air conditions to be placed inside this model where we can have the old air condition. This one, yeah. I want a democracy here. Then one will have their share amount of appearance in terms of all the air conditions units. So one unit here, one unit here, one unit here, one unit here, nothing in here, nothing in here. Well, I think I ran across all the possible installations on this model. I don't see that I missed anything. Well, I missed that small one here. Let's put the small one. Move, copy. You can see it by the shadow. It's one small here. I won't be working with that because this is not aligned correctly yet. We have three small tubes here, but nobody gonna see them. Or maybe we can put them. This should be even smaller than what it is. So 108, 08, sorry, 08, 08. One here, one here. Very nice. No more here. Oh, we have something like that here. 1, 2, and 3. Good. Something special here. Same one, but we have another installation here on this roof. So I think I went all over all the objects that are presented here on this model. So no more things for me to do, except that this one, oh, I know what is that one. It's just a mistake. And what is that? Oh, I saw some can here. What is that can? Is that a rounded can? Let's take a look at that one. Oh yeah, it's some kind of storage. I know where I can take that kind of storage. Already modeled a good one. It's always good to reuse some old stuff that you already did, especially on this model. Royal, Royal, Royal. This one. Here it is. Yeah, I can use it from here. Control C. And let's get back to the model. Here, Here we are, Control V. Come on, place it here. This is how it looks. No, this should be much closer to the facade. This is like here. So you are not at the right place. No, you are at the right place. I don't know, but maybe you should be closer to the facade now. Move like that. You should go move like, oh no, you should move a little bit here. And now we're done. Okay, so how it will be done? We're gonna select all, deselect the surface itself, gonna move everything up over the roof, and then we're gonna do right click, drop GC. Bam, and it's dropped on the roof. I hope nothing is sitting where it should not sit. Okay, you should be sitting on the concrete. Probably you should be sitting a little bit more to here. I just want to see that all the VRF systems sits exactly where they should sit. Well, this sits simply on nothing. This sits correctly. No, not you. You are. Let's go here. Also, you can go a little bit more here. Yeah, looks fine. Except this one that they decided to simply go down. I don't know why. I decided to go not to the right height. Probably all of them been doing that stupid thing. Yeah, I don't know why he decided to go wrong, but I'm gonna fix that one. Okay, now they're correct. All of you. I don't know why. I don't know why all of you decided simply to sit not correctly. Maybe your center is not at the right place. That's an option. Come on, blue one. Righty-tighty, this is correct, this is not correct. And here we should have something symmetrical. So, this is like that. Let's bring it symmetrically to that roof ceiling here. That's fine. What about that one? Probably this one also has some kind of installation here. Oh yeah, that has something here. So move, duplicate. I said we have something here. Is that correct? Yeah, it's more to that area. So this is here. Okay, where you are sitting, VRF system, at the middle. Righty-tighty. So we dropped so many air conditions and that to the roof. I'm pretty glad with that. So now it's time to open some doors at the roof. And just making sure nothing else been doing stupid things here. Oh, your base is not needed. Just a waste of poly. This is white, so this is very bad if this is white. Why you are white? Because we have a duplicated face here. That's bad. Delete. We should not have a duplicated face. It's a mistake. Yeah. Lucky for me that I noticed that one. So we can do some optimization. That's mean all of them are broken. This is the case. Yeah. So I have to fix 6 boxes. Well, it's gonna take a second to do that, but it's something that I must do because I cannot allow myself to get that kind of mistake. Right, it's been optimized. Well, eventually when I will do the checkout for the building, we'll see all these mistakes and probably will start doing even more optimization, but better to do it now. So that's that one. And that one is the leftover. I have small leftover here, so you're also gone now. What is that white? Where this one came from? Oh, from the ledge itself. Okay, no problem. So look at that, how the building looks like with some systems and installations on the roof. Now it looks like a building. Definitely adding some doors and other things to the roof will make it even looks better. But still then, we still have some more work to do. And here you can see it. We're getting closer and closer to finish this object. I think one day or even 1.5 days and this object will be done. It's not an easy one, but at least It's not an overkill. I just wonder how heavy is that object right now. Oh, nope, that's a mistake. No, it's not a mistake. Okay. Okay, at least this one is fine. Let's take a look again where we have white walls here. So you still need some correction. Asa, how are you? Having a good time. Good time sleeping. Sleepy, sleepy cat. Sleepy katza. Good cat. Very good cat. Good, good cat. Right? You like it. You like it when you get some petting on your head. Okay, clean, clean. I don't see anything broken now inside. Can say that this is almost done. Oh, forgot about you. This is something that we don't need. Just bad that this is presence here. This is already open. Okay. Very nice, very good. So we need to build that part now. Okay, so all of them are like 5 centimeters thicker. Like that. I don't know why this part is thicker, but yeah, well, let's do it. Push pull 5 centimeters. This won't be a problem, I think. Do you think it won't be a problem? I don't know. Maybe it's gonna be a problem. Push pull 5, another additional 5, and 5 here. Very nice. Let's do it also here. Oh, we already have it here. That's fine. Fine here. Push pull 5. That's good. Move all the way here. Push pull. Oh, forgot about that one. Okay, that's not an annoying group. Why are they standing there? 5, 5, and 5. Okay, this one needs some adjustments. Too bad that just noticed this one right only now. I see some troubles. Okay, that hasn't been modeled placed correctly. It should be placed here. Good. Now you've been removed. Line. And I need to figure out what color they used here. 5, 5, and 5. Good. Which color, not what color they used here, to be more precise. Do we need to do it also here? Nothing so, but this one should be thicker. 5 and 5 here. Fine. line. Okay, something is not rightly right here. See that this wall is not at the right place. Right. Pull. Yeah, it still can be stretched to the right place here. And then this should be fine, but I don't like what I'm seeing here. Okay, this can be removed. This one is not needed, definitely. This one already been trimmed and stretched, so nothing to worry about here. Just too bad that I have this one here, so let's trim that one. Yeah, that's better. That's trimming. Okay, it's been push-pulled. Push-pull. Oh no, 5. And without a plus, 5, 5, 5, and 5. 5, 5, 5, and 5. I hope it's not too close for the air condition. 5, 5, and 5. Very good. Something a little bit strange here. I hope it won't do any problems. Yeah, small misalignments. 5, 5, and 5. One, two, three. Good. What is that line? That looks like a mistake. So that looks like a mistake. So get away. Pull 5, 5, and 5. Fine. This one has been added. Oof. One, two, three. Done. One, two, three. Done. One, two, three, and that one. Push pull. 5. Done. That's not right. We forgot something here. That's sure. Okay. That's right. We definitely forgot something. And now we're gonna fix it. Push pull. 1, 2, 3, 5. Done. Okay, now it's time to fix that one. Good. 1, 2, 3. Make group. Oops. Control X. Shift V. Explode. It's been exploded. Now we can bring it back to that one, and this one is almost done. Now let's go here. One, two, three. Done. Also, that one needs some adjustments. One, two, three. Done. Let's cut that one. All the way till we get here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Control G, Control X, Shift V, explode. bucket, paint, alt from here, paint, very good, it's been painted. Now let's keep rolling that one. Okay, this one has been fixed. Nope. This one been done. So all that looks like it's been some kind of concrete texture. The rest is not a concrete texture. It looks like a plaster or something. So let's do it plaster texture. Push pull, 1, 2. Oh, forgot about that one here. 3, 3, 4. Good. Now this is thicker. Let's see what you have to say there. I'm already not seeing the stream. No, nobody's here. Well, it'd be nice if someone would be here. But this one is not done yet. Oh, and it should be done. That's weird. So 10, enter, and all the way here. Let's remove that one. Very good. Now we're fixing all the things that we missed. Come on. Done. And done. Oh, you're making sounds of a tired cat. You are tired? Are you tired, my darling? You wanna sleep? Oh, yes. She wants to sleep. She wants to sleepy, sleepy, sleepy. 1, 2, 3, done. So we do also need to do the frontal edge. But before that, let's start doing the rest of the work. Yeah, also this need to be, I said, plasters. So better cut them before doing any further work. This is correct, this is correct. This is correct. A lot of painting need to be done here. Well, will be done. Oh, why is that like this? Okay, this one is broken. Strange. I don't like to find mistakes like that. Good. Well, is it all? Maybe it's all. I hope it's all. They're coming back here. So let's start doing the concrete textures. Concrete. No, this is the gray one, so the concrete comes here. Texture position. Which one is darker? Well, I don't know. Looks pretty much the same. Oh, forgot that one. Oh, more than forgot that one. This should be like that, bucket. Okie dokie, this is not right. It should be like that. Let's go to the default materialing, bucket alt. I see that I made some mistakes here. Never mind, mistakes should be solved. Oh, that was quick. Except this one, that wasn't so quick yet. Probably I simply missed a lot of elements that I have to paint here. It's so strange that in Europe there is no railing, or they have such a shallow railing on roofs. Like here, it's illegal to do the roofs like that. The minimum height for a railing or banister in the roof should be at least 1 meter and 10 centimeters. And some roofs, even 1 meter and 30 centimeters. Depends if you can climb on it and decide that you want to jump. If it was your day. Okay, we have a small problem here. Not a big deal. Can be fixed, but I don't like that I missed it. or that thing like that happens in my model. Well, probably we have these regulations here because people like to sue each other. Like they have nothing to do, so they suing each other for the sports. Oh, forgot that one. Right. Push pull 5 5 5 bucket. Let's keep rolling. Oh, so that's been forgotten. That's bad. Well, how much? 24 degrees now. Still pretty hot. Not sure I'm gonna survive this summer without air conditioning. And we already had some crazy temperatures that reach 40 degrees this autumn. No, it's not autumn. It's called spring. No, spring. 1 second. Summer, autumn, winter, spring. Okay. So I said correctly. During the spring. Right, this one is done. Now it's time for the rest of the objects and detailing, and this will be the penny stair. So I do need to get a glimpse view on that one. It's a bright one. This looks like a concrete one. Yeah, just need to get a glimpse view on that one. Here we go. What color they are used here? Which color they used here? Hard to see. Very hard to see. Looks like some grayish color. Which material is that one? Oh, yeah, maybe they use this material. Yeah, let's take that one. I won't be fighting anymore. And let's drop it on the banister. So, Control V, very good. Ooh, too bad it's live. Bucket out, delete. So, this should be probably 5 centimeters. And this is the most challenging thing about you. 5, push pull 5. Now let's try to see how you will be wrapped here. Well, pretty good. I don't have any complaints about that one. Just that we have some small leftovers here. Well, no problem with that one. Oh, she's making that noise again. You really want to sleep so much, darling? Oh, come on. Stop doing that. Okay, small gap. Well, small gaps should be closed. Oh, here we have something more challenging. Move 5. Well, it should not intersect so hard, but let's hope. Okie dokie, I see. At least I did that one, so nothing will be done bad from there. Come on, please move. Pocket out, paint, good. And it should get 5 centimeters out. That's fine. That's fine in here. Oh, except this one. This one is still white. Bucket, paint. All of you are not going to where you should go. Like, why we have all these small gaps here? Probably the bottom here also need to get same treatment. Well, move. That's fine. Good. It's good to close all these gaps now instead of later. Problem is that my mouse barely works. 5. Bucket. No, without a shift. that small one here. Push pull 5. It's grayish. That's where it should be. Very good. Move 5. Bucket paint. Push pull 5. That's correct. Very good. Come on, forgot that concrete texture here. That's better. Now you are. Move 5, enter, good. Take a concrete texture from here. Drop on each direction here. And I see again that we have some misalignments. Beautiful, I hate that misalignments. And done. Bucket paint from each direction without painting everything that you shouldn't be painting. Oh, come on. Missed 1, 2. Good. Five. 5. Good. And done. I see some leftovers here. Need to address them. Good. Let's address that leftover here. Fine. 5. Enter. Bucket. Full. Done. Nope. 5. Bucket. Pull. Have I painted it below? No. That's a crime. What a crime, what a crime. So many others to be painted here. Just need to do something freshly, a little bit differently. Like painting this one instead of the ones that are already painted. 5. Push pull. No, bucket. No, push pull. 5. That's better this way. 5. Push pull. 5 again. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5 again. 5 again. 5 again. 5 again. problem here. 5 and 5. Okay, this already been push pull. Now you are 5, and why you're doing that trick? Stop doing the trick bucket. Let's paint all of you now. Bucket. Okay, that's a problem. It's leaking here. That's correct. That's correct. Where we're leaking here at this edge. That's good. Painted. Oh, you're tired. Making noise of ow. Yes, yes, that means that you're tired. It's good to be tired, don't worry, it's allowed. Nothing bad about it. There's nothing bad. So I need to wake up pretty early tomorrow and have a Zoom meeting at work. Finally we'll get some feedback on our project and we will know how to proceed with the design. That's what I hate about working with such client, with the municipalities, where they give you to redesign a whole floor inside the school for renovation, and they don't care about the project, like sending you and do whatever you want, but stay inside the budget. And their budget is zero, simply like that. Also, they're doing something very stupid with that project because all the building is deteriorating and you can see leakages in the ceiling for the concrete. They have some skylights there that also water is dripping through there. And you see how water is getting on the walls from the windows, like the plaster getting these bubbles from the water, and you see some how it's called, the greenery that grows on walls. I forgot. Hive? No, not hive. Well, you know what I'm saying. Like, you see that the building is not in a good condition. And you see that they are just pouring money on putting a new paint and not fixing the main problem inside the building. So it's quite sad that with my logic, like, why are you spending money on something that you will need to do again, revaluation there in, let's say, 3-4 years after we finish this revaluation. So it's better to tackle the main problem inside the building and not that small, how to say it, cosmetical problems. Like, it won't help you, and a new paint won't help here. That's what I'm trying to say. And the problem is much deeper inside the building. So, but no one gonna listen to you because all they want is a new paint. Okay, 5 here. Let's keep going. 5 here, 5 here, 5 here, 5 here. Okay, this has been forgotten. Well, I forgot even more things here. Nope, looks fine. It's too bad that the roof is on that layer. Better to isolate the roof and see exactly what's been done and what not. So this is one project. The other project is the building of a community center that also growing through a massive revaluation. We finished the design and like there was a meeting and there was like some woman that's been working on the municipality, and she said she doesn't like the colors, make it brown from, something playful for kids. And it's killed me, like, what do you understand in design? Why do you have the say to say that? This is your taste, this is my taste, and probably I have a little bit more knowledge from you about what is more suitable for that kind of um, users that will be using that building. But well, nothing to say. They saying they're giving you the okay, and you have to do whatever they want. So the system is somehow broken here. Oh, forgot that one. 5 bucket. What is the third project? I'm trying to remember too. We have, oh yeah, we have another clinic, very big clinic, for store building that also going through renovation. And all the fun here is that all these projects are permitless, so you don't need to be stuck with permits. Like getting a permit here can take you for 1 to 2 years, and this is a lot of headache and bureaucracy that you can make a project without going for a building permit. It's much better. Well, looks like we finished all that, so now it's time for some plastering. I think we finished. Oh, we have some leftovers here. Very good. So, plastering, let's start working on that. So, do we have any plaster here? I don't think I took the plaster texture yet. So now it's time to take it. Where do we have a plaster texture? Here we have a plaster texture. Not sure I'm liking this texture so much. Where do we have all the plaster texture? Not here. Maybe this one? Nope. Nope. I do need to build pipes, and I hate building pipes. I have. I wonder if anybody listening to me about me complaining about that kind of projects and all that good stuff. No plaster here. No here. Maybe here we have a good plaster. I wonder if this is my computer making the noise. No, YouTube is muted. This is muted, so something making noise here. Sound like something going to collapse. This is the plaster, right? Yeah. Control C. Good. Here we go. Not that model. I think I'm gonna finish plastering this building, and this is how we're gonna call the day for today. Still have a lot of other things to finish inside this model, but finally we start getting somewhere. Bucket paint. Now we just need to make it a little bit dirty. Dirty, 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 dirty wall. Dirty ceiling, dirty wall, dirty, dirty, dirty wall. So, we started getting somewhere. I like it. I do need that pipes to the air conditioning and all that, I think, but it's gonna be too much for this project. Enough for this project, for the building. I think I can use control for each one of them. Let's try. Control, gonna do the work. Control, gonna do the work as long as it's not jumping to other faces. Control, gonna do the work. I already painted this too. Okay, control for you, my friend. Control for you. Control again. No, doesn't do anything. It's only the connected faces that you're gonna paint it. Painting, not painted. Painted, painted. Control again. This one's painted. Painted. And it's been a while since we had the rockets here. Maybe tonight I will get some rockets. Hello, Paspas, how are you? You look happy. Yes, you're yawning. I also want to yawn. And looks like we're done with the roof. Good. So, take a look at that. What a beautiful building we got here. Okay, the system can go. Don't need it anymore. I wonder if I need any more of this layer. I don't think so. So, look at what we got here. We are start getting to the end. We still need to add some doors to the roof and all that stuff, but we're finally getting to the end of this model. Now we have the ledges. We'll add some dirt to the building, to the bricks walls. This will be very nice to see some dirt. We have the skylight. That's beautiful. That's a nice skylight. So I do think it's time to show the things that have been done here on the roof. Okay, guys, you know where to see it. If you're following my channel, you can subscribe to our Discord, follow our Discord to see the daily updates, and like our channel, like the video, whatever you want. You can even give a thumb up for yourselves near the screen for the video. Don't need to even press the like. Just show your support, and I'm saying thank you for watching. It's been a pleasure. You are the best. And see you tomorrow. I hope I'm gonna see you tomorrow because tomorrow I have a client. And that's why the project has been slowed down a little bit because I have more work with clients. It's a good thing and a bad thing. But I'm still trying to work on the project. And yeah, just writing a description for today's progress, and I wrote down that the roof is almost done. Yeah, very good, very nice. So it's adding the roof and a little bit more detailing. I saw some doors that need to be added and things like that, and graphical elements that would be nice to add them. And my cat's just blocking the screen again. Hello, darling. Come on. Enough is enough. No treats. You got your treat today. Okay. Yep. Somehow she doesn't like when I'm opening bottles near her. If I'm sure her bottle, she will run away. But she's the best cat in the world. I know, you're one of the best. Here we go, maybe like that. Oh, and she's taking the position near the treat row again. No treats, darling, no treats. Come on. No treats. You already got your treats for today. Next treat on Saturday. This application doesn't take screenshots. I'm gonna close it. This application do. I'm always confusing it with the snipping tool. Doubting. No. 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 No tweets. No tweets. Copy and gonna paste it here. Control V. And this is the daily update. So guys, thank you for watching. See you tomorrow. I hope I will be streaming tomorrow. It's been a pleasure being with you. So thank you for watching and see ya. Bye bye.